Here at Milwaukee, success begins with a single step.
Our strength lies in the relationships we build. Working here means teaming up with our end users to create lasting partnerships. We dive into their challenges using our expert knowledge to deliver solutions that transform their working day.
And my office? It's a state-of-the-art company vehicle that takes me to some of the most impressive job sites across Europe. Fully equipped with the latest cutting-edge technology to help me take on anything that the job site has to offer.
I've moved beyond the desk. My role takes me on-site daily, solving real-world challenges and innovating on the go. From busy construction sites to industrial facilities. Every day brings me a new chance to connect, get creative, and solve complex problems in diverse settings.
At Milwaukee, I have the freedom to shape, develop, and grow my customer portfolio. I explore new opportunities, forge relationships, and innovate in targeted sectors. No 2 days are ever the same. One day I'm on the job, the next I'm in the spotlight. I feel like an integral part of an exceptional team.
All deeply passionate about our work.
We believe that our collaborative efforts today will chart the course for our future progress.
We redefine hands-on work. It's not just about tools. It's about embracing a practical, dynamic career with endless opportunities to develop and grow.
Now, are you ready to take the first step?